Welcome again to Lost with Larry, and I have in my hand today an invitation to a really cool waterfall that's off the charts. No, literally off the charts. Like it's not even on the official map of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. But I wonder why. Well, there's not but one way to find out. Jump on with me. Let's do some snooping around. Since the trailhead to our unmapped waterfall begins at the Great Smoky Mountains Institute at Tremont, who better to ask why it's not on the park map, right? Well, everyone there agreed. It's a great mystery, and it's one of the best waterfalls in the Smokies. So let's go check it out. So the mystery still remains surrounding our uncharted waterfall, but perhaps it's best to leave it just that way.